I'm just going to edit some videos for today.
In this case, if you don't help us, there's going to be another gene failure. Oh, God, say schedule.
Yes, it is. 29. Political science, 10, 20,
You bring your bone to me? You bring your bone to mama?
What's he doing in a political science class?
You're very loving, Roxy. Roxy? Hey, do you want something special? Hey. Hey. Roxy. Do you want something, Rox? Do you want something special, baby girl? Palang-lang eh. Paklang-klang ni mama, oy. Palang-lang ni mama, oy. Palang-lang ni mama, oy. Palang-lang ni mama. Palang-lang, oy. Palang-lang, oy. Palang-lang ni mama. Palang-lang ni mama. Miti ka. Miti ka. Miti ka. We're here at ShopRite, guys. I forgot to bring my camera, so I'm using my cell phone. Oh, nice. I can make a video of this. I want to make one of this. This is...
Remake is all from scratch, so that's kidding. Just
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make this for $9. Okay.
$10.
But you have to be careful though, because it's delicate. So what we came here for? What?
Shatterproof, but non-breakable for the cats.
Santa Claus. Seems like Santa Claus is looking at me. So I'm using my cell phone, guys, because I don't have my camera with me. We just came here to get some egg whites, egg whites and eggs. See if I can find my stuff. I love this one. Well, the Asian market, the Asian food is closed. It's empty. Guys, inquirer, Trump must build the wall. Look at the picture.
Great deals over in the Need department this week. We have a 40% off per new company sale.
Hi guys, we just get back from ShopRite in CVS Pharmacy. And I went to CVS because I don't have any more left. I love the L'Oreal True Match. And this is in for buff beige. Finally, I found the one that I broke. The Wet n Wild Shimmer Palette in the shade of Sun. This is the shade of A068. There's no name in it. There is a name here before. Sand. Tammy is going to work, and thank you for eating the pasta, Han. I made the I made the pasta. And Tammy, I don't. Do you really like it, honey? Or you just eat it because?
Oh, I like it. Who do you think was eating it? You didn't eat it.
I did. So he liked it with, so you know, of course the meatballs is really good from Costco. I forgot the brand, but if you go to Costco, get the meatballs. It's really good. I was editing the video, and I'm making a different intro now, a Christmas intro. So I am trying to make a transparent picture of my kids. Tommy get this cinnamon bite croissant. And I have this. This is my favorite, guys. This one is my favorite. Name is Mini Cheese Danish. Come here, Hubs. I forgot to bring the camera down, and Hubs is keep following me. He wants treats and stuff like that. So I have to get my camera. He keep knocking. He keep like touching my shoulder and telling me that where is my treats? Come here, baby. Daddy gave you already some. Come here, Hubby. Come here, no, Hub. Hubby, come here. Come here, too excited, no? Oh, you guys are so happy, no? What do you want? Oh, you want this? Is this what you want? Is this my baby want? Okay. Right here. That's not enough. Hold on. Okay. Of course, I'm gonna give one right here. There's somebody in the box. Come here, baby. Hello, baby. Okay, somebody's in the box. You know what you have? This one here. The Bill Jack, Lil Jack. Small dog training treats. Yay! Yay! This is what you're going to have. Yay! Behave, sit. Roxy, sit. Sit. Sit down. Sit. No, that's not sitting down. That's lying down. Look at that face. Come here, sit. Sit up. Good girl. Sit up. Good girl. Sit up. Good girl. You sit up. Good girl. That's it. She loves to be in the box, guys. Do you still want something? I gave you something already. I did. I did. You just even swallow it without even chewing it. Huh? You do what you do? What is it? Where are you going, little bug? Little buggy. Where are you going, little? Oh, you're going to get something from your sister, huh? You're a greedy little boy. She always do that, guys. If I give him and then give her, she eat his really fast and then kick Dimples away. Like, why you so greedy, bug? Huh? Why you don't want your sister to eat? Hey. Hey. I'm so excited. I watch Zoila. Every time Zoila do a vlogmas, I can't even make my own vlog because I kind of like so into her vlog. Every time she do a vlogmas, guys, I'm so excited. I'm so happy because I don't know, she have some kind of energy. Plus the intro, I'm excited of her intro. Oh my god. I know she paid somebody to make her intro, but it's amazing, guys. Intro last year is amazing. I like it. This time too, it's really good. I just watched the intro and OG, I love her accent. She just called and I'm heading out. I'm heading out. I want the world to say just because of me. I don't know. Go in, Misty. Good girl. Okay, I'm gonna pick up your mother and somebody's in here. Is that you, Hubs? Is that you, Hubs? I'm coming here. Hi guys, insert shout out. I'm just gonna do a special shout out to my friend Jam DG. Hi Jam, thank you for the comments. I really do appreciate it. And also to special shout out to my friend Cora Jackman. Hi Cora, you're always there to do nice comments all the time. You always leave me a nice comments, and thank you for the offer that you know, like, you know, if I need something to talk to you, I can talk to you. Thank you so much. And yeah, so And also to Ruth Higardi, the one that Tammy do a special shout out also. It's always on my vlog. Also shout out to Rosil Dincy. And also shout out to It's Lalabs. Hi It's Lalabs. I noticed you always comments me on my vlog lately. And also to Vimar Yumi. Hi Vimar. And also shout out to Beth W. Hi Beth. Thank you for your comments. And Jovel Lita. Hi Jovel. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you always for leaving a nice comments on my video. I really do appreciate it. Anyway guys, thank you. Bye. My phone is acting up guys again. Tried to call my friend but can't even touch the screen. It's stuck up.
Who's now challenging the recount, taking their medicine the wrong way. What parents of kids with inhalers need to know. Plus, this is no walk in the park. The serious training these dogs are doing on Long Island.
You always come to me. You're such a sweet little monkey. You are a sweet little monkey, yes. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Good girl. Good girl, Mitty. Look at that. Is that what you like? Is this what you like? You like this? Billy scrub? What else do you need? Do you want? What do you want What do you want for Christmas, Rox? What do you want for Christmas? Do you want something in your stocking? What do you want in your Christmas, Roxy? Roxy. I-change ko lang tong channel na to. Sobrang boring naman tong si Jody. 48. Sci-fi. Final Destination. Oh, I don't want to watch that. I don't want to watch that. I don't want to watch Final Destination.
Gaylor Spiller. You think he should still be
He
in
should
sheriff
be in
custody?
jail now. He shouldn't be free.
It's 9 o'clock, guys. Done editing 2 videos already. I edit 2 videos and I'm thankful that I did. And yeah, it's night time now. It's night time now. Okay, let's go in na. Come here, let's go in. In. Come here, night. Night. I'll get some treats for you guys. Where is Roxy? Always hiding under the table, huh? I'm gonna go upstairs. I will bring the Wet n Wild and everything. It's very delicate. Itong Wet n Wild na to. Madaling masira. So, wag ilambos. Yung mother-in-law ko. Tulog na guys. Pagod. Napagod. So, punta muna ako sa bathroom. 9 o'clock na. Dapat tulog na ako. Itong oras. So, mag-bathroom muna ako. Good night, guys. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Night. Thank you guys so much for watching sa vlog. Bye! Hi, guys. Tommy is here. Baby's right here. Baby's right here.